Just to show you, just to give some context on why that's so incredible, NASA started with the best test pilots in the world. They were, it wasn't even just about, you couldn't just be a great pilot. You had to be a test pilot because you were flying things that had never flown before. And these test pilots, they flew the fastest things in the world. They drove the fastest cars in the world. They were a very elite crew. The odds of becoming an astronaut during the early Mercury days or Apollo, I mean, so small. So few people were even qualified to do something like that. It kind of grew a little bit with the space shuttle. Obviously, there was a more possibility for you to become a space shuttle astronaut, but even that was limited to the U.S., right? So you're, as a U.S. citizen, your percentage grew, but as someone that was in any other country in the world, you had no opportunity, that was just not available to you. And now with commercial crew, that expands it. We've got JAXA and we've got ESA, these two amazing space agencies also being able to jump seats and jump onto our international partnership that is the International Space Station. And now we've got a company like SpaceX offering what they're providing to the ISS and NASA and every other space agency to go to the International Space Station. We're now being able to offer a mission like Inspiration4, where an entrepreneur like Jared Isaacman can be the commander of a mission, bring 3 other people, raise money for St. Jude's Research Hospital, and literally spread inspiration with a mission. It's very similar to what we saw with dearMoon, which is again another opportunity where all civilians will be able to go in, and it really just becomes a matter of, does someone have the money to pay for the seats to the mission? And it opens up a whole new era of human beings having access to space. And so this moment of these 2 missions, dearMoon and Inspiration4, these are symbolic in a lot of different ways, and it's this introduction of this open access to space that we've never had before, and it's opening this possibility of going to space to virtually everyone, which is wild.